Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the 21-day PayPal money hold. If you're new to PayPal or you've just received a payment that's stuck on hold, don't worry. I'll explain everything step by step in the simplest way possible. When PayPal shows money on hold, it usually means PayPal is checking that the transaction is safe. This commonly happens for new sellers, new accounts, or when PayPal thinks the transaction might involve something risky. The good news is there are a few things you can do to release the money faster. First, log into your PayPal account. On your dashboard, you'll see your available balance at the top. Below that, if you have any money on hold, you'll see a section called On Hold. Click on it. This will open the transaction that is currently being held. Once the transaction opens, PayPal usually shows why the money is on hold and what action you need to take. Now, here are the options you may see to release the funds earlier. Option 1. Add tracking information. If your transaction is related to shipping a physical product, PayPal allows you to enter tracking details from reliable couriers like UPS, DHL, FedEx, or your local postal service. After you add a valid tracking number, PayPal can release the funds sooner, usually within 24 to 48 hours of confirming delivery. Option 3. Ask the buyer to confirm receipt. In some cases, if the buyer goes into their PayPal activity section and confirms that they've received the item or the service, the money can be released in just a few minutes. You can politely message the buyer and request them to confirm if they're comfortable doing so. Option 4. Maintain a good account history. If you continue receiving payments and completing orders on time, PayPal usually removes the 21-day hold automatically within a few weeks. The more you use your account normally, the less likely you are to face money holds. Also, PayPal does not allow you to manually remove the hold instantly. There's no button to force it. You must follow one of the steps PayPal provides inside the transaction details. Once PayPal processes the transaction and confirms everything, your money will move from on hold into available balance. Then you can send it to someone, spend it online, or withdraw it whenever you want. So that's how you remove or speed up the 21-day PayPal money hold. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.